Hi everyone, I am Faisal Mangalgiri. Today is 13 January 2022 and the topic on which I am giving information is multi-threading in Java. Before learning multi-threading in Java, we first know about what is multitasking in Java. Multitasking is a process in Java in which multiple tasks are performed simultaneously or togetherly. We use multitasking for utilizing CPU at its maximum level. Multitasking process can be achieved in two ways. First one is process-based multitasking, that is a multiprocessing, and second one that is a thread-based multitasking, that is multithreading. Let us first see about process-based multitasking, that is multiprocessing. Multiprocessing is a process in which multiple processes are executed or multiple processes are performed simultaneously or togetherly to use to utilize CPU at its maximum level. Each process has address in memory, means each process is allocated with a separate memory. A process is a heavyweight and cost of communication between processes is high. Switching between one process to another process will, will take time. Let us know about thread-based multitasking, that is multithreading. Multithreading is a process in which multiple threads are performed simultaneously or togetherly. Multithreading is a feature of a Java which allows to execute two or more parts of Java programs to execute simultaneously or togetherly to utilize CPU at its maximum level. Each part of a program is called a thread. Thread is a lightweight and it is a subprocess. Thread is a smallest unit of process. Multiprocessing and multithreading are the two ways to achieve multitasking. But to perform multitasking, we use multithreading because threads use shared memory area, but in multiprocessing each process requires a separate memory allocation for each process. Hence, we use multithreading to perform multitasking to save memory area. Also, threads require minimum time for switching between one thread to another thread. Multithreading in Java is used in games and animation, etc. At least one process is required for each thread. Now let us understand what is meant by thread. Thread is a sub-process and it is a lightweight and also it is a thread is a smallest unit of processing and it is also a separate path of execution. As threads are independent, hence if exception occurs in one thread, then it does not affect another threads, and thread and and threads use shared memory area. Threads are executed inside a process, and and there is a and there can be a switch between two threads. Operating system can have multiple processes, and a single process can have multiple threads. At a time, only one thread is executed. Let us know about what are the advantages of multithreading. By using multithreading, when we use multithreading, it it does not restrict or block user, because threads are independent to each other, and we can perform different operations at same time. By using multithreading, we can perform many operations at the same time. Hence, this can save our time. And the next advantage is, as threads are independent to each other, if one thread having exception, then it will not affect other threads. Hence, we can perform multiple operations multiple operations at the same time. Let us know about a thread class. Java provides a thread class to perform thread programming. Thread class provides constructors, constructors and methods to create or perform operation on a thread. Thread class thread class extends object class, and it implements a runnable interface. Thank you.